A major construction site collapse is in the spotlight. Just this morning, a large section of the site crumbled, trapping several workers under concrete and steel. The response? A race against time, with rescue crews, ambulances, and fire trucks flooding the scene. Why does this matter? The incident has halted work, sparked an urgent investigation into the cause, and forced evacuations of nearby buildings. With families anxiously waiting for news and officials assessing the structural risks, this rescue operation is becoming more critical by the hour. Stay tuned, because what's happening at this site could have implications for construction safety standards far beyond this city.